here's a problem. You're spending hours upon hours every week editing your videos. So here's a question. What if there was an easier way? Welcome to my channel where we turn creators into millionaires. In this video, I am gonna show you a new tool that's gonna save you hours of work every single week. It's gonna make you more productive, more efficient, and it's gonna help you grow on social media. Let's jump right into it. This is clip 1 of our short-form video. So the first thing we want to do is grab attention. And really the best way to do that is with pain. So I found the perfect clip of a guy sitting at his computer looking frustrated. He's dragging around clips on the timeline and he's just like annoyed. And then we gonna drag that over top of some text that says still wasting hours editing videos. The goal here is to tap into that frustration and say, hey, I know you're struggling. I know you're tired of editing videos and spending all this time and it's not worth it. And then we're going to give them a solution, which is the product that we're promoting. In this case, we're promoting a product called Swipe AI. So the first thing that they see is this text on screen that says, Meet Swipe AI, where you type an idea. Then we're going to show them what that looks like in action. So we're going to show them actually typing in the phrase travel vlog in Paris and hitting enter. And then the next thing they see is the results that come back from this software. This is clip 2. We're introducing the product. So now that they've seen the problem, we need to give them the solution. So I'm introducing Swipe AI. The idea here is simple. You type in whatever idea you have and instantly it's gonna spit out videos, images, articles, podcasts, literally anything that you could ever want to create. So in this case, I've typed in travel vlog in Paris and within seconds, look at the amount of videos that are generated. Not only that, but also images and an article as well. So basically, no matter what you want to create, whether it's images, videos, written content, Swipe AI can do it all. Now we're going to show them the results in action, and then at the very end of the video, we're going to call them to action. But for now, let's dive into clip 3. So I'm going to click on one of these video clips and instantly it's auto-edited. It took literally 3 seconds for this video to edit itself. Let's watch it. Okay, so there's the intro that it came up with. We can change that. Let's just skip through it. There's all the B-roll that it added. There's graphics that it added. It took my voiceover and it put it over top. I mean, this is a fully edited video. All I had to do is type in the prompt, and then it spits me out a fully edited video that I can publish. Now, let's go back. I'm gonna click on another one of these clips. Again, literally no edits needed. This one has music added to it. This one has sound effects added to it. It's completely done. I can click Export Video, download it, and I'm ready to post. But it doesn't stop there. We can also generate images. So in this case, I am gone. Now click on one of the images, and then I am gone. Now click on Edit Image, and I can choose between any of these images. So I am just gone. Now click on this one, and instantly I can use it as is. Let's try generating some more images. Hit Generate More Images. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brand new images that we can use and edit. Let's go back. We can even generate articles. So in this case, I am gone. Nah. Click Generate Article, and it's gone. Nah. Spit me out a draft of an article that I can immediately start publishing. So I am just gone. Nah. Click Copy Article, and then I am gone. Nah. Go over to my computer, and I am gone. Nah. Open up Google Docs, and I am gone. Nah. Paste in that article and look at how much it already wrote for me. All I got to do is add my own voice, maybe some more information, and I've got an article that I can start publishing online. We've shown them the results. We've shown them the images. We've shown them the videos. Now it's time to take action. So this is clip 4. So in this clip, we're calling them to action. We're telling them to stop editing the hard way and start swiping their ideas into reality. I'm gonna tell them to visit the website and claim their free trial. It's only available for the next 10,000 people. So let's add some urgency to this and get them to click that link. That's it. That's the short form video. If you're trying to grow on social media, get more views, more engagement, stop editing videos the hard way. Start swiping your ideas into reality. Now that you've created your short form video, don't forget to add those hashtags. So in the caption, I might put something like, "Why spend 5 hours editing when I can do it in 5 seconds?" Or I might put your ideas gives videos, images, and articles. That's Swipe AI. Or I might even put something like editing is dead, creating is instant. Those are just a few examples. Come up with your own, and then make sure you add relevant hashtags. So in this case, I would add something like #ATools, #video-editing, #creator-tools, #AI assistant, #productivity hacks. Those hashtags are going to push this video out to a brand new audience. Don't forget to download the app and join the creator economy.